Ladies and gentlemen, today we're making ice cream. So you see the heavy whipping cream here. We're going to use 2 cups of that. Here you see the vanilla extract. We're using 2 tablespoons. Then we have the sweetened condensed milk, which we'll use the entire can, which is a 14-ounce can. And that is the basis for ice cream. But follow along and you'll see the method in doing so. So added to my container is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. What we're gonna do now is whisk it. You can whisk it with this, or if you have one of these handy, you can whisk it with that. Um, not to kill my time, so I'm just gonna use this right here. This is the texture we're looking to get. It's like a pasty kind of yogurty kind of texture. What we're gonna do, so this is 2 cups, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna add an entire 14-ounce can of condensed milk. So if you were doing 1 cup, you would be adding 7 ounce, so half of a can. After adding your condensed milk, you're gonna mix it together. Uh, Make sure it's distributed throughout the entire mixture. All right, I got 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract added. And that is vanilla. You just pour it in. Seal it. And put it in the freezer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final product. The ice cream has been in the fridge for about a day or so. Um, you only need to have it in the fridge for about 7 hours, but but you could test it just make sure it's frozen. But here you have my final product. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.